Hello all, welcome today. So we are diving into the world of investing and how surprisingly simple it can be. Many people think investing is complicated, but the truth is you are already surrounded by brands that hold significant investment potential. Just take a cue from Warren Buffett, the legendary investor who made his fortune by putting money into everyday companies like Coca-Cola and Apple. Let's walk through a typical morning routine and see how it connects to investment opportunity. You wake up, grab your iPhone, that's Apple. Now the most valuable companies in the world. A tech giant is known for its innovations and robust ecosystem of devices. Investing in Apple lets you stake a claim in its ongoing success. Next, you log into Amazon to buy your morning essentials. Investigating in Amazon opens the door to a leader in both e-commerce and cloud services. With its dominance in online shopping, it's a solid choice for long-term growth. After you purchase, you throw on your favorite sports shoes. Companies like Nike, Adidas flourish with global surge in fitness trends, making them great candidates for your investment portfolio. You then get for a shower using a liquid soap. You then get for a shower using a liquid soap from manufacturers like Unilever, Procter & Gamble. These companies are reliable in providing daily essentials that consumers trust, making them a safe investment in both prosperous and tough economic times. You might also enjoy a hearty breakfast of roti, butter, and paneer produced by brands like Amul and Britannia, ITC, all those kind of things. So investing in these food and dairy staples means capitalizing on strong consumer demand. And while you are at it, think about your LPG cylinder. Companies like Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum are pivotal in the energy supply and are expanding into cleaner alternatives. Finally, if you ride a motorcycle, manufacturers like Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto are poised for a growth as urbanization continues to rise in India. As Warren Buffett wisely advises, invest in what you know. Think about the products you interact with daily. Their companies are often strong investment candidates. By investing in brands you trust, you are not just buying a stock, you are gaining a share of their profits every time you or anyone else makes a purchase. Let's talk a strategy. Diversification is essential. So by investing in tech stocks like Apple and Amazon, retail brands like Unilever, ITC and Britannia, as well as energy stocks like Indian Oil, Reliance, you can mitigate risk across various sectors. Remember, you don't need to grasp complex financial jargons. Simply observe brands you rely on every day. So let's get into the detail of this video further. I'm going to show some examples of whatever we discuss in our life's journey and how the momentum of the stocks are, what would have happened if you'd have invested in those stocks. All those kind of scenarios we are going to look into that. And also we'll parallelly review the future opportunities in those companies. And this is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. Welcome back. So as we discussed about your life journey, every actions you do, every touch points you have in your daily routines, everything has a brand. Keenly watch. Observation is a technique, or observation is the sense which is given to human being. It's very important one, which we sometimes or most of the time we just ignore it or we take it very easy. But that will give you a lot of insights. Trust me, I'm not making fun of, I'm not telling a joke or anything. It's a very serious business. You keep watching everything where you go and things you touch. There is a business in that. You have to observe it. When you are brushing Colgate, right? Whatever the paste you are using, look at that. Who is the manufacturer? Where it is manufactured? Note on the name. Go to the shower. You check the soap, whatever you're using. Check the brands. This is Wipro, Mysore Sandal soap, Unilever brand. The shampoos you use, what is the brand? Pantene, right? Everything has a brand which you are daily using it. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using those products we use those products daily, but we always miss what is the brand is about. Every month we buy a toothpaste. Imagine you are one person or one family in India. Think about the whole India. How many people are or how many family are there? How many people buy the paste? Do a research on that one. Go and check what is the sales of Colgate, how it is, its growth is from the past history. So that is how you can start learning about the brands. Simple thing. Every month you are going to change the cylinder. How the cylinder price is fluctuating. It's cyclic. But the problem is it's a PSU, it's a government sector. So what are the government sets the price based on that? The company has to be, it has its own pros and cons. You go in the bike, Bajaj automobiles, Maruti, right? Without that you are not commuting to your office, right? You are using some vehicle to commute. How are you doing that? If you are going in a public transport, Ashok Leland, Tata Motors, buses are made by those companies. Watch those companies. Simple observation will help you to pick a good stocks. And trust me, you will become a diversified. End of the day, you will be having a diversified portfolio, which even any portfolio managers advises you. Very simple investment. Investment is not a rocket science. It's a simple thing. When you are going to a native or something, you find a place, you see a board saying that this place is for sale. Immediately you'll go and explore that land. How is that land? Is that real estate investing in that plot is worth or not? Is there a nearby bank is there? Nearby hospital is there? How long it will take to grow this land? All those things you do for a land, right? Because we are used to land, buying a land or house from our future, from our past, from our parents would have done their grandparents would have done their relatives would have done. All those people would have done. So we focus only on the real estate and to buy a real estate. All these activities do. We normally do that. But why we are not doing the same thing while you are investing it? Simple, right? Whatever product you are using. If you are using a washing machine, what washing machine you are using? Whirlpool, AC you are using, Voltas, Godrej. Even if you are going to buy a flat or something, Godrej Properties, it's a good brand. Soba Developers. Every brand has a value. Look at the value and understand. You will be like shining like anything. Your portfolio will shine like anything. You will have a diversified. I'm telling you, very simple way of approach will give you a diversified portfolio, and that damn sure is going to create a wealth for you. Let me get into that. Let me show some example to you. Just check this slide. I have given an example. When you wake up in the morning, you use an iPhone to check your messages or anything. And you would have ordered some kind of gadgets or something to your home. You will be checking, tracking whether the product is going to be delivered today or not, which is Amazon or whatever it is. And you go for a walk. So you need a sports shoe like Nike, Adidas. And after coming back, you'll turn on the geyser. What brand it is? Evo Smith, Bajaj Electricals, right? Jaguar. And soap. It could be Wipro, Unilever, right? Then you have a breakfast, Atta, Asirwad Atta, Basmati rice, India Gate Basmati. Who is producing that? Who is manufacturing those things? Which company it is? Explore that. And your gas cylinder, LPG, Indian Oil, BP, your regular commuting thing, Hero Motorcar, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, computers which you are using, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and going for a coffee, Starbucks, Nestle. Then your lunch grains, ITC, Tata Consumer Products, order online, Big Basket, Zomato. So investment is not a complex one, yeah. It's very simple. Let me go through some of the companies we discuss and let's discuss about those things. Okay. Let's start from the first one. When you woke up, what is the Apple doing? You may ask how to invest in Apple. You can do that. There are multiple platforms are there. I don't want to promote any business over here, but there are platforms there. You can explore it. If you see this in a monthly week, you see even in monthly way, if you have invested some say $10, $15 or $20, just imagine how your growth would have been 300% from 2020. Even now, Apple is very good position. Okay, in my previous video, I explained to you guys how to find a good stocks for your swing trade or for your investment. If you see in the monthly view, it touched the Bollinger Band at this place. You would have bought this here. You could have entered. You would have invested more at this point of. Whenever it touches in a monthly view, you can do this. Or else you can go for 1 week. Every week you can check. That is also possible. Whenever it touches the bottom of your Bollinger Band, add your investment. Simple tactic. So Apple is the one. Then Amazon. Same. Amazon also you would have invested like Amazon has given a very good return. Even like I invested in this one. It has given more than 200% I have return in this one. You see, this is the power of understanding a business and investing on it. Then let's say Colgate. Look at the Colgate Palmolive. See, when you simple thing, logic is when you are buying a Colgate toothpaste, buy a stock also. Whatever you are doing in grocery, right? What are the product you are buying in the grocery? Check that out. What are the things you are spending? Put a budget and check what are the expenses you are making. Against all those categories, you could start investing. So Colgate is like this. Then what else? Unilever. Okay, India, we can say Hindustan Unilever. You can directly invest in Unilever also in US stocks. That would be better than investing in Hindustan Unilever. You see how much? See, See, this kind of a business always follow a pattern, always follow a channel. It will touch this channel and it will go back. It will touch the channel, it will go back. And when the trend reverses, okay, you can draw a trend line like this. You see, every time you touch, it reversed. And just duplicate this one because trend is in going in different side. So, okay, now it may touch this one. You can clearly see. So whether it's a right point to entry, check my last video. I mentioned about the RSI in a weekly. This is in monthly. Okay, go for weekly. It is gone away. Okay, gone too far now. But you can add a small bit of thing. Don't do a bulk investment. Okay. Then let's see Indian Oil Corporation. Now it's consolidating. It's in a weekly mode. See, but how much it rallied. Right. Go for a monthly view. Okay. See this one. Every time when it hit in the month. Okay. In the Bollinger Band bottom. See how right now it is. This is the power. Then what? Asirvad Atta, which is ITC. Okay, ITC. Let's say ITC. Look at this. Every time when it hit in the bottom of the Bollinger Band, it reversed. In a monthly view, I'm talking about. Okay, and similarly, you could have invested every week. Not every week. Whenever it touched the Bollinger Band at the bottom, you could have added more to that one. It also, because right now market is high. Right now everything is in a high, but still you should be able to find the stocks which are undervalued. I also made a video about how to find the undervalued stock. Example, go for banking sectors where you're going to buy a loan for your bike or gold loan, right? Let's check that. What is that? Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Look at that. This is weekly. Let's go for monthly. How it is? See, it never touched the monthly thing. Okay, but weekly it is touching. So you can check every time whenever it touches the bottom of the Bollinger Band in the weekly. Here, add more. It is now reversing again, right? So keep adding to Ujjivan Finance. Similarly, Federal Bank. Look at this. Because all the private sectors are now have rallied a lot. Okay, you just see it never touched the bottom of the Bollinger here. So whenever touched here, you could have added it. This was 22 times. Don't just get panic. Whenever it touches the bottom of the Bollinger Band, be ready to add more to that. You buy a medicine. Recently, I bought a medicine for my kid, and it was Dr. Reddy's. The medicine was Dr. Reddy's. Weekly, you see, it touched May 2024. Right? It fell a lot. Now also it's falling, touching the central part of the Bollinger Band. But I don't know whether it will touch this bottom of the one. But yeah, you can start accumulating slowly. Then what? Bajaj Auto. See, it's how it is going like this. See, it never touched the bottom. It's just as imagine daily, every week or monthly, you added some to your portfolio. One stock every month. Put a basket. Then what? Tata Consumer. You buy Tata Salt, right? See how nicely it consolidated. I had everything marked. I entered this one. Yeah. Anyway, so it has given a good breakout. You can see how it is now. In monthly view, it touched this level. This was a very good chance, and it was 692. But these are stocks you don't need to wait for it. Every month, add something to that. Tata Motors. Okay, let's think about the gold. Okay, we want to buy some gold jewelries. Which one? Which jewelry is best? Tanishq is there, but that's a Tata product, right? Like Kalyan Jewelers. Look at this monthly view. This is it. Never see every month. See the candle. Every month is above to the previous candle, about the previous candle. You have to start discipline in investment. Don't get panic. What else? Other stocks. You give me this. The entire day I can keep explaining to you guys every company brand which you touch. Cement, when you are constructing a building, cement companies, road, infrastructure, entertainment park. You take your kids to entertainment, right? Theme parks, Wonderla. See Wonderla. Look at this. This is a monthly one, but look at this how it is. It went down, but every month you could have accumulated this one. Added one stock. Not big, right? One stock. Whichever you're able to buy. See this one. Now how it went. Now, if you have a confidence in the business, if you are not using Wonderla, you won't trust that business. That's okay. It's an acceptable one. But all other companies, tell me one company, the touch point you have in your journey which is failed. Just think over it. You go to bed, think about that thing, and you will seriously, I'm telling you, you will feel you missed this journey. But nothing is too late. Everything can be started now also. So don't get panic. It's a good opportunity for you. Again, the market is booming. There's going to be a bull run. So simply don't ignore the market. Don't feel it's all-time high. I'll tell you this kind of a Bandhan Bank. Okay, people are not thinking about this bank because it is in. Look at this. But past few days it is going up. These are banks, yeah. Okay, banks will not one day or other day it will shine. It's not like Yes Bank or something like did something wrong and it's falling. See that. Look at this. Its currency is undervalued. Karnataka Bank. It was consolidating from September 23, it is consolidating sideways. You should have focused this one. IDFC First Bank. These are undervalued stocks. This is going it's in a downward trend. When it is a bearish time, you have to start accumulating. See, every time these are the opportunities. These are the opportunities. See this. These are the opportunities. Now, don't know whether it will touch this one, but keep accumulating for every month. Ashok Leland. Look at this. It was in a downtrend. See, that is what the diversification is. All the sectors will be cyclic. When one sector is doing bad, the other sector will shine. So don't worry about that. You keep your investment journey as it is. You put a basket. These are the stocks you feel or you believe which you are interacting daily and it's good for you. Then just put it in an Excel sheet. Write down these are the stocks I'm going to invest every month, and write the reason behind why you are investing in this stock or why you added more into that stock on that particular month. When you do that, when you do this journaling, you will know what you are doing. You don't need to get into the annual report. You don't need to check their financial statements. You have trust in these brands because everybody is using the same thing. How long you are using this one? So just go with those kind of a simple thing as a beginner. You can start your investment journey. Then slowly accumulate the learning on how to understand the patterns, how to understand the chart, how to read the annual reports. That you can catch up later. When you start, the problem is always the starting point. If you are not starting it, you will never start. Think about that. So, are you ready to step into the world of investing? Everyone has the ability to invest, and you can start by recognizing the brands you interact with in your daily routine. Take a moment today to research these companies and figure out how they align with your investment strategy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more similar investing tips. Until next time, remember, smart investing starts with the brands you love.